All right, so this is the Country Lanes turkey here. So I'm gonna be what I have on top is this high seasoning salt, and just gonna cook it. There's a little bit of bouillon on the bottom there. There's the parts that it came with, and gonna cook it for like 4.5 hours, and then do a quick taste test. Stay tuned. Here's the Country Lanes Farm turkey all done. Let's look at that. It's all falling off the bone. We'll do a quick taste test here. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Got a fork here. Just gonna take a little bit off right there, just to do a quick taste test. Right there. Yeah, it's chewy and tastes. It actually is really good. It's kind of soft. I'm gonna get another piece just to get a better taste here. Yeah, it's got nice flavor. It's got like that sort of farm raised taste to it. It's actually really good. Lean, very lean too. So if you check it out, guys, some questions, comments, post, subscribe to the channel.